All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Yeezys, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also, song of the day, I'm going to have to give it to Paranoia by Pop Smoke featuring Gunna and Young Thug. This actually came out, I believe, on Friday of last week. It was on his deluxe album. The album is really good. Go listen to it. It's really good, but honestly, this is my favorite song off of the deluxe. I don't know what's my favorite song off of the regular yet. I still have to listen to it a couple more times. But yeah, if you haven't, go listen to it. So fire. Like they're spitting on every single pause, but they're spitting on like the whole beat, bro. Just go listen to it. It's fire. But yeah, let's actually get into these new Yeezys. Okay, so this is the box that they come in. It's just a regular 350 V2 box. Yeezy Boost 350. Got these from Yeezy Supply, by the way. Got a size 9.5. Always go a half size up in Yeezys. It doesn't matter what shoe it is that you buy from Yeezy, just get a half size up. I got the ZYONs, and I was hearing there's going to be around 500,000 pairs of these, but I don't think there were that many. I think there was only like 100,000 because these were surprisingly hard to get. For other people, at least, I was able to go into Yeezy Supply and check out in under 5 minutes, like with no problem. But I saw a lot of people take L's on these, which I was kind of surprised about. So let me know if you guys were able to cop. But yeah, let me show you guys the shoes. Okay, so these are the shoes, and in my opinion, this might be the best Yeezy 350 V2 of the year, unless they release like an older colorway like the Breads, which I heard they are. This so far is the best Yeezy because these are just super dope. I saw somebody comparing these to the Turtle Doves before they even released. I'll put a picture up on the screen, and as soon as I saw that picture, like, I knew this was a must cop. These are so dope. I love this stitching right here. It's so nice. But yeah, let me just spin these around for you guys. No pull tab, which kind of sucks. I like them with the pull tag, but no, nothing I could do about it. The bottoms, this is definitely gonna yellow, by the way. Again, retail was $220. Easy tag. The insole, the 3 stripes on the back. This is actually reflective in case this is like your first Yeezy. And in my opinion, like, this was a must cop. Like, I already have a bunch of Yeezys. I've owned a bunch of them, but this was a must cop. And if honestly, like, if you're not even into Yeezys and like you just like this pair, this is definitely like a pair to start out with. Like, you could wear this with like anything, with like an all black. You could wear it with white, you know, brown, obviously. Like, this is such a dope colorway, and I would have definitely paid resale for them. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely would have. And honestly, my favorite part is just looking at it like this. I don't know why, but here, in case you guys are wondering, that's how it looks like that. But yeah, these are super dope. I love this stripe. It's kind of see-through, like you can kind of see my finger a little bit, but if you're wearing socks, you're not going to be able to tell, like, you know, what color your sock is through it. But these are really dope. No, let me show you guys the size tag. It's not focusing, but it's a size 9.5. I already told you guys that. But yeah, these are just super dope. I'm probably gonna keep these. Resale, from what I've seen, is around $300, which I'm kind of surprised about. I even saw a pair like sell for like $350. So I honestly don't know. If you need the money and you have these, sell them right now. Like, just sell them. Like, you may as well just take the extra like $100 or whatever. But if you really want to hold these, I could see this going up to $400 by the end of the year. That's if they don't restock. If they do restock, or if you hear anything about them restocking, sell right away, because it's gonna take forever for these to go back up if they restock. Let me show you guys the inside with this tag. Okay, so if I'm being honest about the inside, I do not like this part right here. It's really soft, but like, I don't like the design of it. I don't like this line. I don't like it how it's like right here too. That's the only part I don't like about the shoe. Everything else I like. It's on that one as well, but there's like a bunch of crazy patterns on it. There's like little squares with dots in it, like stripes, just like other lines. Like, this is such a good shoe, and I've seen like so many people like genuinely be excited about this shoe just because it does look like the Turtle Dove kind of. And by the way, if they do release a Turtle Dove, Oh my god, bro. That's like a must cop. I need those. I've been looking for those forever in my size for a good price, but they're just too expensive. But yeah, let me actually show you guys these on feet. Okay, so on feet, these look super nice. I just stuffed the tag in here, by the way, in case you were wondering what that is. You know, I'm not breaking the rule also. Champion socks, they're not Nike. But these look super dope, man. I'm so happy I was able to get these for retail. They fit great. They fit just like every V2. I mean, just go half a size up. That's all I recommend, and they'll fit fine. But yeah, these are super nice. And I've actually worn the turtle doves like once because my friend had them for a while. And these look just like them. Not just like them, but like, you know, very similar. And they're just super dope. Would have definitely paid resale for them. Honestly, if you want to, wait, I would say a week, maybe 2 weeks. The market should drop a little bit. Maybe you can get them for like 280, 270 if you're lucky. And honestly, I think it's worth it. So if you want to buy these, wait a week and you should be able to get them. But they're super dope, man. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I wasn't sure about keeping these if I was being honest, but after seeing them on feet, I am 100% keeping these. And I love the laces, how they're like slightly a different color. Fire. These are super nice. Let me know what you guys think about them in the description. Or in the comments, my bad. Bro, just looking at them like that, so nice. Bro, this is such a dope shoe. Honestly, let me know what you guys think about these. I personally love them. I'm going to be keeping them. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.